back to my channel. In this episode, I will show you how I make my homemade face mask butter to make your skin glow. I'll be using just 4 ingredients, namely avocado, aloe vera, honey, and shea butter. These ingredients are a great combination for the perfect skin. Besides tasting delicious, avocado has an impressive skin benefit, and this is due to the healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals inside. The excellent source of vitamin E and C in it plays a great role in the health and vitality of your skin. Raw honey. Raw honey has components beneficial to the skin. It helps balance the bacteria on the skin, which makes it a great product to use for a skin. Aloe vera. I call aloe vera a wonder house plant, and it's often hiding in plain sight. It's been around for ages and has been used as medicinal herb. The gel inside this aloe vera enhances the skin, especially the face. Shea butter is a great traditional product. It's often used as moisturizer for the skin. Let's begin the process.